Hello everyone, this is Yuki from Jiangmen Market from China. Jiangmen Market is a factory with 16 years experience in making hot ice cream machine, saucer ice cream machine, pasteurization machine, spaghetti ice cream machine, ice cream display, popsicle machine, roll ice cream machine, and so on. Our machines need to go through 6 processes: forming, assembly, writing, testing, cleaning, and packaging before they are completed. This is our machine we have tested. Every machine must be strictly tested to ensure its quality and safety. We use wooden boxes for packaging to ensure the safe transportations of the machines. These are our factory's shipping drawings and May production drawings. Our ice cream machines are very popular all over the world, and the machine has a reasonable price. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.